How to test audio in Microsoft Teams. If you would like to test your audio in Microsoft Teams, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Microsoft Teams app. Here, I have got an invitation to a certain meeting. So I will click on join. Now before starting the meeting, I would like to test my microphone. On the right hand side, you can see whether you want to enable or disable microphone. You can choose to also enable your computer audio, or you can also choose to enable this audio. Now, I will not enable this audio because I'm recording right now, but you can just click on enable this audio. You can choose which headphone you would like to use. So you can click on this filter icon. You can choose the headset that you would like to use as well as the speakers. You can choose a certain volume, and you can also enable your mic access from your settings to be able to test the audio. And then after you've done that safely, you can click on the join now button. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in our next video.